Hi friends, here I am discussing about the multiple choice questions, that is MCQs, based on the elective paper of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad, that is Plant Pathology and Disease Management. This is elective paper number 20C. From this university, myself, Dr. Uddhav Hale, Professor Department of Botany, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Nardurg, Turzapur District, Osmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. For the preparation of forthcoming online examination, these MCQs will be useful for BSc third year and MSc Plant Pathology specialized students from this university, as well as other universities where the plant pathology and disease management paper is considered. In this video, here only 20 multiple choice questions with its options or objectives and answers are going to introduced. So let us see the first question. The first question is, culture containing more than one kind of microorganisms is called, and their options are A. culture, B. pure culture, C. organic culture, and D is all of the above. The correct answer is organic culture. Now the second question, that is, each division of stage micrometer equal to, their options are A. 0.01 millimeter, B. 1 micron, C. 0.1 millimeter, D. none of the above. The correct answer is 0.01 millimeter. Third question, in gram staining, grams iodine is act as, first option counter stain, B. primary stain, then C. secondary stain, and D. moderant, and correct answer is secondary stain. Now the fourth question, that is, DADAS control the intensity of light entering in microscope. The options are A. iris diaphragm, then B. mirror, C. condenser, D. all of the above, and the correct answer is all of the above. Now the fifth question, the ratio of diameter of lenses to its focal length is referred as, option A. magnification, option B. numerical aperture, option C. resolution, and option D. none of the above, and the correct answer is numerical aperture. Now the question number 6, a microscope has a 5x ocular lens and 10x objective. What is this microscopic total magnification? Now option A is 4x magnification, B. 14x magnification, C. 50x magnification, and D. 400x magnification, and the correct answer is, that is a 50x magnification. Now question number 7, plant pathology is the study and control of DADAS that causes the disease. Then option A, abiotic and environmental factors, B. biotic and abiotic factors, C. pathogenic and environmental factors, and D, that is answer B and C are true. The correct answer is pathogens and environmental factors. Then question number 8, that is 1/1000 of a micrometer is called A. millimeter, B. angstrom, C. nanometer, D. picometer, and the correct answer is the millimeter. Then question number 9, that is, among following is not a GMO plant: A. BT cotton, B. golden rice, then C. tracy, and D is tomato, and now correct answer is tracy. The question number 10 is, in laminar airflow, DADAS type of filter is located. The option A is membrane filter, B is Sies filter, C. HEPA filter, and D is all of the above. The correct answer is HEPA filter. Then question number 11, when maintaining the microscope, what is used to clean the lenses? Option A oil, option B water, option C alcohol, then option D detergent, option the correct answer is the alcohol. Now the question number 12, that is citric acid is produced by option A penicillium, then option B alternaria, option C aspergillus, and option D, that is fusarium. The correct answer is aspergillus. Now question number 13, that is most plant diseases are caused by dash. There are options are A is bacteria, then B is the fungi, and C molecules, and D is viruses, and the correct answer is most of the plant diseases are caused by the fungi. 14th question, that is which one of the following groups consists of systemic fungicides? So A is babistin, topsin, M. captan, then Plantavax, Emison, and Calicin. C. Vitavax, babistin, Calicin. D. Xyrem, Plantavax, and Detox. The correct answer is Vitavax, babistin, Calicin. Question number 15 is who first demonstrated the transmissible nature of TMV? Their options are A. Ionescu, B. Stanley, C. Benjaminic, and D. Mayer. The correct answer is Mayer. Now question number 16, rodenticide is the following dash. A. Zinc phosphide, B. Propaxar, then C. 2,4-D, and D. Dexon, and the correct answer is zinc phosphide. Question number 17, which is the following nematicides dash? Their options are neem, B. Nemagon, then C. zinc phosphide, and D. none of the above. Question number 18, the 5 kingdom system classification is given by, the options are A. Aristotle, then B. Haeckel, then C. Whitaker, and D. all of the above. The correct answer is Whitaker. Question number 19, which is the following plant protection equipments? The option number A. autoclave, option number B. pneumatic air pump, then C. NASCAP sprayer, and D. both B and C. Means pneumatic air pump as well as NASCAP sprayer is considered as the plant protection equipments. And question number 20, IPM stands for, means A. insect pest and meat, then B. integrated pest management, and C. impervious pest membrane, and D. insect problem maintenance. And now the correct answer is integrated pest management. So please watch this video repeatedly. You will get an idea about MCQs and its appropriate answers. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and press icon bell. You will get my further videos based on MCQs or multiple choice questions. Thank you.